Hi, my name is Katrina Voorhees and this is Lucy University. Welcome to From Sketch to Masterpiece. This course is an introductory course to all of the fundamental skills that you need in drawing with pencils. The Lucy will get you to an outline, and this course will show you how to bring it all together to a finished drawing. So here's a look at some of the things we'll be going over in this class: values, blending, shading, texture, and refining. So one thing that I want you to get out of your head right now is that art is something that you're either good at or bad at, because it is a skill that you can learn. There are some people who are more adept at it, just like anything in life, because that's just, some skills come more naturally to some than others, but they're all things that you can learn, especially if you take the time to practice. Anything in these videos that I'm showing can be learned and mastered by anybody. That's one of the most important parts of this course, is that I really honestly believe that anybody who wants to can be an artist.